Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Dubsado account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you unlink or remove your Gmail from Dubsado? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your Gmail from Dubsado anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you connect the wrong Gmail account, so you need to remove it from your Dubsado. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Dubsado dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into Dubsado, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to remove a Gmail, here on the top right, you're going to click on this little gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu over here on the left, and you want to click on emails. Okay, once you do that, you should see your Gmail address right here. And then off to the right, you're going to see a little trash can. Go ahead and click on. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Gmail has been removed. So now if I want to manage my Gmail in Dubsado, I'll have to come back in here and re-add it. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a Gmail account from your Dubsado, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.